Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we have so many crazy things going on at Dollar General that we have to talk about. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded the new clearance markdowns and penny list video for you all this week. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump into all of the crazy things that are going on at Dollar General this month. First up, we do have a buy one, get one free sale going on right now on the Green Dot home items. And that sale, unfortunately, it does end today on Sunday, August the 13th. So if you want to get in on this sale, make sure that you head out to Dollar General today. Now, next up, we have another sale going on. This one started on August the 10th, and it is going to run through September the 4th. We have a sale 50% off of matte plastic dinner and silverware. These items are normally priced at $1 all the way up to $5 each. Now, from what I'm understanding, this sale is not going to be at all stores. Here's a look at some of the items that are included along with the UPC code. So you guys can type in the UPC code and see if that sale is going on at your store. Now, these items are actually pop shelf items, and you can tell by the purple square on the tag. I noticed that these started rolling in a few months ago, so I did snag a few pictures just in case something like this popped up, because I figured it was some kind of mistake somewhere along the line. So I think that some of the Dollar General stores received a lot of these plastic dinner and silverware products, so that is why we are now having this sale. So like I said, make sure that y'all type in the UPC code and see if that sale is going on at any stores near you. All right, now next up, we are also going to be having a Christmas sale in the middle of August. So we are going to have Christmas items at 50% off. This sale is going to start on August the 20th and run through August the 26th. So what is going to be included? We have the gift wrap, ribbons, bows, tags, tissue paper, boxes, outdoor decor, lights, and Christmas trees. Now, let me just go ahead and put a huge warning label and a huge "your miles may vary" on this sale, because I know that a lot of stores, most stores around me, I know for sure, sent all of these items back to the warehouse once that Christmas clearance cycle started. So again, I think this is some more DG craziness. I'm not sure if maybe there was another mistake somewhere along the line and the warehouse started sending out Christmas items instead of fall items. It could be anything. So if you see Christmas items at your store, just be ready for this 50% off sale. But the fun doesn't stop there, because we have even more Dollar General craziness to talk about. Up next, we have another Dollar General clearance event coming up. Can y'all believe that? I can't even believe that those words are already coming out of my mouth when we literally just had one like 2 weeks ago. Now, this one is going to be a little bit different in a couple of ways, but mostly this is going to be geared toward seasonal items. So, when does this clearance event start? This is going to start on a Thursday. Typically, these start on a Friday and run through a Sunday, but this one is going to start on Thursday, August the 17th, and run through Saturday, August the 19th. So now let's take a look at what is going to be included in this DG clearance event. First up, we have the lawn and garden category. This will include furniture, lawn decor, planters, solar lights, citronella, the bird feeders, wind chimes, yard care tools, grill accessories, seeds, and bulbs. So what you want to be on the lookout for are the True Living Outdoor price tags. These might be a sticker on the item, or they might be hang tags. All of those items should be included in this Dollar General clearance event, and these will be 50% off of their regular price. Next up, we have the Pink Square Swim and Summer Toys. These will be 50% off of their regular price, so be on the lookout for the pink square on the price tag. This does include all of the floaties, pool toys, little water guns, all kinds of good items in this category. Now, typically it does exclude the chalk and the bubbles, so if you are ever in doubt, just scan with your Dollar General app. All right, next up, also going to be 50% off during this clearance event, we have the Green Dot home items, and this does include the beach towels. For whatever reason, Dollar General threw the beach towels in with the Green Dot category this year, so be on the lookout for the Green Dot on the price tag. All right, next up, we have a new category. We have spring and summer apparel. Now, this category does exclude the flip-flops, and I will have more information to come on this category, but for the sake of this video, just keep in mind the spring and summer apparel will be 50% off during the clearance event. All right, next up, also going to be an additional 50% off. We have select sun care items. Now, again, make sure that y'all stay tuned. Turn on those notifications because I have more information coming for you all on this category with pictures, visuals, the whole 9 yards. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. Next up, we have select hand sanitizers, wipes, and masks. These will also be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. I believe these are currently sitting at 50% off. So during the clearance event, the additional 50% off would make those 75% off. But again, y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I have more information coming at y'all. Now, next up, we also have the summer barbecue category. Now, this is going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, August the 15th. So during this clearance event, the additional 50% off will mark the summer barbecue category all the way down to 95% off during the clearance event. All right, so here's a quick little cheat sheet that I've made for us. Again, most of these categories are going to be 50% off of their regular price. We do have a few that will be an additional 50% off of their clearance price. And of course, if you do find a 70% off store, that will change the numbers pretty significantly for you all. So just keep that in mind. If you find a 70% off store, you're going to get even better deals. Now, I also wanted to mention something that I noticed during the last clearance event is that we did have categories that ended up being included in the clearance event, but Dollar General did not include those on the memo. So just make sure that y'all stay tuned, turn on your notifications, and I'm going to try to keep everybody as up to date as I possibly can on all the categories and everything that will be included in this Dollar General clearance event. All right, guys, now I know that I threw a lot of information at you all in this video, so here are the important dates that you need to mark down on your calendar. We have the clearance event that's going to start this Thursday, the plastic sale that is already started, that started on the 10th, it's going to end on September the 4th, and then we're going to have that Christmas sale starting on August the 20th if you all are interested in that. Now, the craziness does not stop there because over at the Walgreens, they have also decided to follow suit and throw in a Walgreens end of summer savings event going on this week. Now, I do not have the full details on all the things Walgreens yet, but I promise you guys I will be digging into that to find out if there are going to be any fantastic deals that we need to get in on. So make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications because y'all know we racked up during the My W Days event. I believe that was 3 weeks ago, right before the Dollar General clearance event, and you know your girl has got some Walgreens cash to spend. Again, make sure that y'all stay tuned and please let me know what you guys think about all this craziness down in the comment section below. Another Dollar General clearance event, another Walgreens event, plus we have Christmas sales going on in August. So let me know what your all's thoughts are down in the comment section below. And of course, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.